Hey folks, today is March the 1st. It's currently right around 9:30 in the
Hey guys,
morning,
get ready to open. Get ready to open here.
and they're just getting ready in the room to get started,
S&P is
as you
looking to
guys can
open,
see
guys.
here.
So watching the S&P 500 in main futures. Okay, guys, let's watch this here. Let's watch this. Watching for some possible shorts going on up here. I'm not sure. Let's just watch. Watching this line right here. See how the market's active. To come back below it, possibly it'd be a short. They hold above it. That could be really bullish up to this area. So he wants to try to play games around. Look how fast this is moving. This is off the open, guys. It's expected to move pretty fast.
I'll be back with you guys in 1 second. I want to pull up Forex Factory. All right, nothing's happened yet. I'm just pulling this up. Just want to make sure there's no news coming out at 10 o'clock today. Okay, so actually, ISM manufacturing PMI, 945, final manufacturing PMI. So 9:45 and 10 o'clock. All right, that's definitely good to know. To save on time, I'm going to go ahead and pause it until he's set to enter his first trade, and I'll be back then. Selling the market here.
Put the stops right at the highs. Put my stops right at the highs up here.
He got in at 1944. I got in at 1944, so we actually got the exact same fill.
Risking right here, $275 here. I'm putting risk per two contracts. Watching to see if this market wants to come back down. I'm looking at this because the market found resistance up here and is turned down, is now giving a bounce. So I'm looking at this for a short sale. I put my stops at break even now, guys. We got break even stops. Looking for a lot lower prices, guys.
I want to keep this at 1-to-1, but
I'm looking to try to take out these lows down here.
as you can see, this level right here has been touched. So I might push it up 1.
It's moving very, very fast, guys.
Market came down to here, bounced back up, came down here again, bounced back up.
Extremely fast.
Ah, you got to be kidding me. Market came right down to our take profit. Didn't push through it. What I should have done is had this up earlier.
Stop filled.
And it would have been taken.
Stop us out.
Shoot.
We'll short him higher.
It's a little disappointing, but I learned a lesson there. These levels of support and resistance are extremely important. I need to make sure my stops and take profits take that into account, because that could have been an easy winner.
Right now we've got a break-even stop. We got stop to break even. Look at this guy's video. Look at this guy's picture, man. How cool is this guy? How cool is that guy? Watching the guys just moving so fast. How cool is that dude? Love. Just love. Yeah, it's moving pretty quickly here. Uh-oh, it's Pete Cole, and he's back. Look at that, guys. Could have had this trade. Maybe a little support down here. Let's see if that holds. We can maybe take a trip back up to the upside. Watch and see if this holds. I could put a real tight stop in the market. Buying right underneath the market, putting a stop right underneath the market. Put a stop right underneath the market down here, guys. Real tight stop. So let's just see. Putting the point stop.
Order pending.
1 point risk, guys. 1 point risk right at the halfway point. Let's see if that turns up. Let's see if they really want to kill this 50% line or hold it.
Order filled.
Real key area here. Actually, I could drop the stop down a little bit more to 50 cents. So I got about a 1.25 stop. Not a big deal. Very small stop, guys. Tight stops in this market. Very tight stop. So if you don't feel comfortable, don't do it. If you feel comfortable, then do it. Looks like looks like it wants it. We'll see. If it holds here, I'm going to double up the position right here, guys. Doubling up the position right now. All right, doubling up the position. Let's just give it a shot here. I like it right around these halfway points, so even if they try to stop us out, they come down a little bit further. It's a halfway point. If they fail it, market goes a whole other direction. They'll take us out. Not a big deal. Yep, it got us. Okay, not a big deal, guys. Still watching it down here. Still watching it down here, guys. Okay. I like keeping tight stops around these key levels, and I'm still watching this down here. I'm still watching this. You got a point, Kevin and Mark, that this could be like a bullish retracement down here. Nope. Starting to fail. Very, very fast market, guys. Very fast market. I like these fast markets. All right, so you see support down here, guys. I'm watching this right here on the buy side. All right, watching to see if this holds down here on the buy side. Sometimes you get an extension to the
Order
downside.
pending.
Watching to see if this holds. Not really a fan of today. I may call it quits early on here, guys. It's extremely fast this morning.
Order canceled.
There's some news coming out in about 1 minute. Final manufacturing PMI comes out at 9:45. So we'll see what happens here. Wow. Great call on that one. Great call. Definitely would have been able to hit my first profit target.
Get out of half of my position here, guys. Get out of half of the position up there.
Also, guys, as you've seen, there are going to be times where I might try to get a better fill than the vendor did. So I'm not doing things exactly as I should be, but hopefully you guys can see past that and know that the main purpose of these videos is to show you what goes on in the room. Okay, so you can do the smart thing and just, if he enters the market, just enter when he enters the market. Definitely don't try to, do what I'm doing or anything. This is just me testing things on my own here, but the important thing is what the vendor is able to do in the room, because that's what you guys are going to be able to follow. I believe on this short trade here, we got stopped out by maybe 1 or 2 ticks.
Let me just add those positions back. I'm adding those positions back again, guys.
That would have been a great trade if we could have stayed in there. Huge move down. So again, like I said before in our previous videos, the calls are really good in the room. We just have to have the ability to take them.
Selling those positions out up here, half of them. I'm going to buy them again on the way down. Just watching down here, guys. Oops. See if we hold support down here. If we come back above here, looking to buy them again aggressively. Buying them and put our stops below the market. Put our stops below the market, guys. Let's see what happens here. Very, very volatile, fast market, okay? Very fast market, guys. Keep that in mind. Very fast market, guys. Now a little bit with our stop. Lots of support down here, seems. All right, guys, break-even stops. Break-even stops. All right, we'll see if this holds now. Break-even stops. We'll see if this holds. Yep. Very, very fast market, guys. Very fast market. Keep an eye on what's going on here, guys. Just stay with me. Keep watching. Keep watching, guys.
Nice.
We'll see.
If I was in this trade, my first profit target obviously would have been hit with this big move to the upside.
What spread? There's only like a quarter spread, man. Okay, guys, I'm exiting. All right, how did I do today? So, where's the guy? Red Orkin, you there? Red Orkin, you see me? Okay, that's live, my brother. That's live. Based on a $5,000 account, $3,500 to $5,000 account. You asked me if I trade live. There you go, right in front of you. Okay, so I'm not telling you what we make. I do it for you. And I show you. Tricia followed us. You guys followed us. Who else followed us? And that's the way we do it, okay? That's the way we do it. Tell the whole world. Go brag to the whole world. Go tell whoa geez that you actually got real traders here. Go tell whoa geez who the real traders are, okay? Whoa geez. All right? With their bogus traders. Okay, just sit there and watch that for a while, okay? There is no other company in the industry that does what we do. No other company in the trading industry that can play at our level. Because I schooled a lot of them, and they can't play the game that we play. They're a bunch of pussies. They can't do anything we do. Right? Believe me, they're all tough guys until it's time to do some tough guy stuff. Right? Take a look at that, all right? Know what that is? Let's see. Based on them, that's about 50% profit on cash. Everybody's a tough guy until it's time to do some real tough guy stuff. Right there, live account. Go show all those morons at these other companies. All right? So if you ever anybody ever want to question me again, I'm glad to take your challenges. I will step on them. And I'm not being negative. I'm being positive. This is how I motivate myself. Okay? I'm not being negative. I promise. I'm just showing you it's the real what we're doing. Go tell all your friends what you saw is real. Live in front of your face. Tell you exactly what to do. Right? Everybody's a lion, right? Exactly until it's time to do some lion stuff. Right? I don't need no accolades. I'm telling you guys, you get yourself here and you sit with us and you profit with us, man. So with that, what music are we going to put on? Holy cow.
All right, guys, I think he's done for the day here. I don't want to go through and record all of the question and answer stuff that's about to come up. It's almost 10 o'clock. Typically, most days, it seems like they trade from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, if not a little bit earlier than 10 o'clock. So maybe 9:30 to 9:45 or 9:50, and they're done. So like I've said in the past. All right, looks like he's playing something here.
Here we go.
All right, so I went ahead and muted that. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to shoot me an email or visit me at EmpireAmbition.com. As I've said in previous videos, he does trade live in the room. We do get to actually see how he manages the trades. We get to see him enter the trades. Pretty much everything you want to know about, this room can be answered in the back office once you guys get signed up. All right, so that is going to be it, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. And again, I think I said this earlier, but there was no trading yesterday on Monday. So that's why there was no video for yesterday on the 29th of February. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Take care, folks.